If you've ever wondered of achieving financial freedom and becoming a millionaire, you're in for a treat. Today, we're revealing 7 efficient passive income streams that have the potential to skyrocket your journey towards wealth creation in 2023. Get ready to unlock the path to financial independence. Don't miss the last income stream as it is the most profitable one. Now let's start. 1. Financial investments. An excellent instrument for investing is the stock market. Although getting started might be a bit intimidating, once you're up and running, the principles are straightforward and simple to comprehend. 2. Sell your videos. Videos combine several types of content. Audio, text, and graphic content are all included in one package. Video effectively reaches a large number of people. Your videos might be sold to other companies or a news website. In addition to providing you a share of overall revenues, companies will pay you to develop viral videos if you have the necessary skills to produce compelling content. 3. Dividend stocks. A tried and true method to create passive income is through dividend stocks. Extensive study will be needed to find solid companies, and spending a sizable chunk of money will provide sizable dividend checks. However, you can ultimately accumulate a healthy financial return if you consistently invest money in dividend stocks. A one-time investment is dividend stocks. The underlying idea is straightforward. The more dividend-paying shares you own, the more the dividend you will earn. To diversify your money, buy shares of many dividend-paying companies. 4. Rental property. Being a landlord and owning a property might be one of the most profitable passive income streams that has been around for many years. If you have spare money that you might use to invest in real estate, or if you own property, this passive income plan is ideal for you. Rent will provide you with a reliable source of revenue each month for little to no labor. If you have a room that isn't being used, you may rent it out. Websites like Airbnb might help you connect with people seeking for a new place to live. Offering your spare space on Airbnb will provide more passive money because hotels are often more expensive than Airbnb. If you want to know more earning tricks, then do subscribe our channel and also hit the like button. 5. Blogging. If you like writing, starting a blog is a great way to make money online. Blog creation is made possible by free websites like Blogger, Tumblr, and WordPress. You should decide what you want to write about. Make sure you won't quickly grow bored with it. For the topic you chose, use Google Trends or look at the search results page. This will show you what kind of material is read often and how much traffic certain blogs receive each day. A broad audience is what you should choose. 6. Establish a print-on-demand enterprise. Given that e-commerce is presently one of the most well-known ways to get passive money online, it only seems sense to talk about print-on-demand. Using print-on-demand, you may sell your images for use on t-shirts, clothing, mugs, canvases, phone cases, bags, and more. Additionally, you may adjust it to the preferences of the client. The nicest part is that you may develop your own range of branded products. 7. Make and sell your online courses. If you are an expert in a certain field or sector, creating and selling online courses is one surefire method to generate passive money for you. Whether you sell your material through your website or online learning sites like Udemy, you'll find plenty of individuals who are willing to pay for access to it. Of course, selling on websites makes things easier, but there may be instances when your course is considerably reduced, which might have an impact on your revenue. On the other hand, if you sell through your website, you have control over pricing, therefore you won't have to give up your profit margins just because someone else is giving a lower price. That's all for this video. If you got to know something new, then please do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Share this video with all of your friends and let me know in the comments that whether you have started any passive income or not. Thank you for watching till here.